morning, everybody. I'm gonna make today's video short and sweet. So first of all, Monday is Independence Day. We wanted to wish everybody a very great long weekend. I hope the weather cooperates and everybody gets to spend some time together with their loved ones. We have posted a little blog about 4th of July on our website. If you're interested, you can read it. I know the last week has been very contentious in terms of Supreme Court decisions and all of the hearings that are going on. We have posted also an explanation of the Supreme Court's decision on our website in case people have questions, in case people just want to read and understand more about it, so you can find it there. In other news, there really haven't been any news on immigration in the last week, nothing earth-shattering. The immigration cases continue to be both reopened and closed on the prosecutorial discretion grounds. I have a whole video on the prosecutorial discretion. I just wanted to say that based on our experience, we do see that the government is prioritizing cases that are currently on the court's docket and are open, as opposed to older cases. They're taking much longer for them to go through the steps in order for us to get a decision. Sometimes the attorney from the government will come back and ask additional information because since the beginning of the prosecutorial discretion last May, a lot of things have changed, how we submit the motions, what is requested, and they're not really blanket. A lot of people think that it's a free-for-all. It's not an amnesty. They do look at cases and they do refuse some cases where they think a person does not at this point in time deserve the prosecutorial discretion, but like overwhelming majority we're able to reopen or we're able to close depending on the circumstances. Interviews are going forward. Interestingly enough, we're actually getting complaints because people are being scheduled for their citizenships too fast. Not a joke. People have complained that it's too fast. About that, I just wanted to say that if you feel that your citizenship interview has been scheduled too fast, you do have the ability to ask for them to reschedule, but there are several inherent risks with that. One, the government has to deem that your request has a merit, right? That it's not just, I don't feel like it, because if you don't feel like getting citizenship, then why are you applying? Two, you're going to be put back essentially to the beginning of the reschedule queue, and we cannot guarantee when you will get rescheduled. We're not able to request a specific date and time for you. So you just go back into the pile, and when you get your next interview, we don't know. So I would think really, really long and hard about asking for any rescheduling, because you may end up in a situation when then it's going to take too long to your taste. About payment through credit cards, this is very, very important. Yes, the USCIS offers a lot of forms to be paid by credit card. However, overwhelming majority of those credit card payments come back as declined. So when that happens, the whole package is sent back. We have to repackage it, reship it, which means you're going to have to pay additional fees. So we strongly encourage all people to use checks or money orders, wire or Zelle the money, and we'll use a company check, because the government only punches in your credit card once. And if your credit card thinks that it's a suspicious transaction, if the number's off by one when it's being punched in, if there's anything and says decline, they take the whole package and they send it right back to us. Okay, so I know they do take it, and I know there are problems with it. I would tell our clients to continue to use checks. Okay, as the system progresses and becomes more innovative, we're hoping to transition into the 21st century. That is all I wanted to tell you today. It is more about the holiday that marks the true beginning of our summer. Everybody's going to be barbecuing. Everybody's going to be out either by the pools or by the sea, by the ocean. And I want everybody to just take a minute and enjoy the day, enjoy the weekend with your family, with your loved ones, with your close people, and let's get started back to work on July 5th with renewed energy to go forward and get things done. Thank you so much again for watching. We will see you